Hello, in the previous video, we installed Imouto Navigator. In this one, we'll launch it, configure collections, and see how they work. When we open the app, we see an empty interface since we don't have any collections or saved images yet. Let's fix that. At the top right, click Collections and create a new collection. I'll call it Art. In the last video, we created folders for collections, and now we need to tell the app about them. We'll start with source folders. These are the folders where ImoutoRebirth will find new files. Add a new folder, paste the path, and select the options to check file hashes and formats. The format check only works for images. Add the image file extensions to the filter for this source folder. Repeat the same steps, but without enabling format checks. In this case, include file extensions for everything else that doesn't need format verification. Now let's do the same for the without hash folder. This is where you can save images without hashes in their file names. Usually, a hash is included when saving images from various booru sites. For all other cases with arbitrary file names, we'll use the without hash folder. Done. Now, let's set up the destination folder where our collection will be stored. Enable the options to create subfolders and rename files to their hashes. We'll see how this works later. The collection is configured. Let's try saving some images to our source folder. Our image has a hash in its file name. We can save it in the with hash folder. Refresh the interface. By the way, there's now a refresh button at the top right, and we see our image. What's more, its tags have already been downloaded from booru. Let's save a few more images. As you can see, the images have been added to the collection, and their tags are already downloaded. You can click a tag with the left mouse button to add it to the search, or click it with the middle mouse button to open it in the browser. You can also mark a file as a favorite and quickly find it later using the Fave button. Now, let's install the Imouto extension for browsers. This extension highlights saved images on booru sites. Saved images are marked with a red border, while related ones are marked with a green border. You can click the extension icon to toggle this highlighting. Let's save some images and see how quickly they get highlighted. Next, let's explore other Imouto Navigator features. The Shuffle button randomizes the order of images. The Revert button reverses the order of images. Number buttons adjust the number of images per row and their size. You can also do this by holding Ctrl and scrolling the mouse wheel. In the settings, you can change accent colors and themes. Now let's check how animated images and videos behave. The app supports most video and animation formats, including Pixie's Ugoera. Finally, let's look at how the collection files are stored on disk. This is the collection folder. The source folders are where we save images, and the collection folder is where the app organizes them. Inside the collection folder, subfolders are created to optimize disk performance. Files are named using their hash and original extension. However, you can disable both behaviors if you prefer files to retain their original names and be stored in the root without subfolders. That's it. The app is ready to use. It has many more features, but I've only covered the basics. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the GitHub discussions. Links are in the video description. Thanks for watching, and happy image saving!